A reading from the devotional, All God's Creatures. The Sound of the Oriole, a testimony by Virginia Ruth. And we know that in all things God works for the good of those who love Him, who have been called according to His purpose. Romans 8:28. It was a picture-perfect spring day, sunny, cloudless, blue sky, with a gentle breeze and a just right temperature. I was walking our dog outside our home and noticed a distinctive hee-haw sound. The Baltimore Orioles were back. One orange beauty would call out, and then another would sound. It was music to my ears. The return of the birds was a reminder of the return to warmer weather and the promise of summertime. I had difficulty seeing them at first. I followed the sound, but I couldn't locate the birds. I stood before one tree and then moved to the next, straining my eyes upward. They were making their presence known through their calls, but I wanted to see their beautiful color. Only after I remained still and focused could I spy a flash of orange as a bird flitted from one branch to another. The glimpse of feathers confirmed that the sound was coming from an oriole. Sometimes I have trouble seeing God, too. Most recently, when I would pray for a troubled family, but wouldn't see the progress toward the answer, I would ask God, "Why don't you answer? Are you listening?" I thought God was there, but my lack of God sightings gave me doubts. Only when I would be still could I glimpse His presence through an encouraging phone call from a dear friend or through an applicable Bible verse. Those glimpses confirmed that God was working on the situation even if I didn't see or feel Him all the time. Just like the sound of the orioles reminded me of their presence, God's voice reminds me of His. Even when I can't see Him, I can be assured that He is working all things together for my good. Creator God, who sees and knows all things, thank you for the reminder that although we may not see you, you are always there. Amen.
How deep the Father's love for us, how vast beyond all measure, that He should give His only Son to make a wretch His treasure. How great the pain of searing loss, the Father turns His face away, as wounds which mar the chosen one bring many sons to glory. Behold the man upon the cross. Behold the man upon a cross, my sin upon His shoulders. Ashamed, I hear my mocking voice call out among the scoffers. It was my sin that held Him there until it was accomplished. His dying breath has brought me life. I know that it is finished. boast. I will not boast in anything, no gifts, no power, no wisdom, but I will boast in Jesus Christ, His death and resurrection. Why should I gain from His reward? I cannot give an answer, but this I know with all my heart: His wounds have paid my ransom. Why should I gain? Why should I gain from His reward? I cannot give an answer, but this I know with all my heart: His wounds that paid my ransom. Your wounds have paid my ransom.